Hi friends, welcome to Diya Sujit channel. Today we are here to listen to a book, and that book is based upon non-fictional and scientific thinking. And before we continue, let me ask, do anyone have the habit of reading books? Most of the answers might be no, we don't have time, we are running out of time, we are running to do work and so on. And let me tell and use this quarantine to read books that might reduce your stress level and increase your way of thinking, and it might change you. It might change you means into a positive person than before. And let me tell you the benefits of reading books. If you are reading book, you may get addicted to it, and it is a good one. And when you read book, it might stretch your brain muscles and let them function in a better way than before. And when you read books, you might think in a different way, and you will also think about other person's point of view too. When you read books, you get these benefits. So read books in this quarantine, make your kids learn too. If they don't understand, sit near to them, make them understand, give them a positive way of teaching so that they gain confidence and faith. So let us get into this video. Here today the book I'm going to read out is The Power of Subconscious Mind, written by Dr. Joseph Murphy. This book is sold all around the world. This book is that famous. So let's start reading. So, how many of you know about our subconscious mind that is hidden behind every truth, belief, and whatever you think? So, let me tell you what is it. Subconscious mind, it is like a data bank. It stores all your beliefs and thoughts and whatever you do and what you have done, and it stores everything. It's like your belief system. So, whatever you think in it, you'll reflect in your action. So, in this book, he has telling you how to use the subconscious mind in a good way so that your life becomes brighter. And the first thing he's asking you a question, how this book can work miracles in your life. He says that he has seen miracles happen to men and women in all walks of life all over the world. Miracles will happen to you too when you begin using the magic power of your subconscious mind. This book is designed to teach you that your habitual thinking and imaginary fold, fashion and create your destiny. For as a person thinketh in his subconscious mind, so he is. So whatever you think, so that is you. So whatever you're thinking, you reflect in your actions. This is so simple, and he's telling in the first paragraph. And he's asking some questions. These questions might have arisen in you too, but you never asked someone, or you have never thought it why to answer it, but he's answering. Let me first ask you what the questions he have asked to you. So, why is one person sad and another person happy? The next, everyone have this question. Why is one person joyous, prosperous and with beautiful luxurious homes, and another person poor, miserable and with a meager existence in a slum? So why is it? Next, why is one person a great success without anything effortly done, and why is another person an abject failure with all the moils and toils in his life? So why is one person so popular and why is one person so unpopular? Have you ever thought it? So he's asking, in all these questions there will be an answer with the work of the subconscious and conscious mind. So there is most certainly is. Next, he's telling the reason for writing this book. He's telling you that what motivated him to write this book was a deep desire to share the answers that he has discovered to the many similar questions like this. So he has written this book in a simplest language that everyone could read, understand. And these words he have used is that you can see in your daily papers, current periodicals, in your business offices and in your homes. He urges you to study this book and apply the techniques it outlines. As you do, it absolutely convinces that you lay hold of a miracle working power that will lift you up from your confusion, misery, and failure. It will surely guide you to your true place, solve your difficulties, sever your emotional and physical bondage, and place you on a royal road to freedom, happiness, and peaceful mind. So, in learning how to use your inner powers, you open the prison door of a fear and enter into a life described by the Paul as the glorious liberty of the sons of the God. So, if you continuously read this book, I definitely challenge you that you will see a positive changing in you. So, I recommend you to listen to the upcoming videos. In this video, we've just seen an introduction. If you're interested, do comment that we are interested and we will proceed. Thanks for listening, and I do believe that the power of listening is more than you read. So spend a few minutes in it, and do subscribe our channel and share with your family and friends and support us. Thank you.